Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. I Nikita Kaushik from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth welcome you all in your English class. Kids, welcome back to the next part of the same story. So, where we have end? Yes, we have ended. The last was, it was puppy. Who was? Who was groaning? And what we were learning? Let us recapitulate first. What we have learned? We have read a story of so many toys. What they were playing? Yes, they were playing a race game. Yes. And what was the condition? Yes, the condition was whoever will complete 3 rounds, whoever will take the 3 rounds first of the whole room will be the winner. So, what was the next part? Yes, it was puppy. As who was the fastest runner? Maya. Maya the doll was the fastest runner among all the toys, and she was running very fast in the previous part what we have read. And suddenly she heard a groaning sound. Somebody was groaning, right? Who was that? It was puppy. Ouch! But why was he groaning? Let us read in the next part. Okay? Next, shall we start? Okay. It was puppy. He had bumped into. Bumped into, it is a new word. To hit with someone, to get hit with someone, किसी से टकरा जाना, accidentally. Bumped into aeroplane that stood near the cupboard. Cupboard, you know, cupboard, we have cupboards in our classroom. Yes, in the same way, cupboard, he had fallen down and lay there shocked. Shocked, to get surprised. It was puppy. He had bumped into aeroplane that stood near the cupboard. He had fallen down and lay there shocked. Someone will help him, thought Maya, and she had no time to stop. When what happened to the puppy? Actually, the puppy was bumped into aeroplane. वो किससे टकरा गया था? Aeroplane से. And where was that aeroplane? That aeroplane was stood near the cupboard. Where was it? It was near the cupboard. Cupboard के पास थी वो aeroplane. He had fallen down and lay there shocked. क्योंकि वो उससे टकरा गया था, he was hit by that. So hit by that and he fallen down over there. माया ने सोचा कि कोई तो उसे हेल्प करेगा और उसके पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं था रुकने का, जस्ट बिकॉज शी वॉन्टेड टू विन द रेस. ऑल द अदर टॉयज gathered to collect, gathered around puppy. puppy के पास चारों तरफ सारे टॉयज आकर गैदर हो गए. बीप बीप, you will be fine, puppy. Truck hummed. Hummed means actually a sound of truck, and beep beep. Just like maybe you have heard have you heard the sound of truck? Beep beep, beep beep. In the same way, actually truck can't speak na, so he has spoken like beep beep just to say. And what was that beep beep means? You will be fine, puppy. Puppy, तुम टेंशन मत लो, you will be fine. Okay? Then chuck chuck. Do not cry, puppy. Engine puffed. Again, puffed is also a sound of engine. As they can't speak, as we can speak like this, they express their things. Maybe you have heard the sound of engine. Yes, in the same way, puff. So, what kind of sound was that? Chuck chuck. And what does that mean? Yes, it means do not cry, puppy. Engine also says, do not cry, puppy. Clown and Teddy helped puppy to stand. Who helped them? Clown and Teddy. Who helped them? Clown and puppy and Teddy helped puppy to stand. Okay? Ready to run? Asked Teddy. Teddy asked, are you ready to run? Puppy nodded. Nodded to move your head like this and started to run slowly. He nodded and started to run slowly. The other toys kept pace with him. At this rate, Maya thought none of them would ever win the race. इस तरीके से माया को लगा कि इस तरीके से कोई नहीं जीतेगा. I am only going to win. Maya had finished the second round. Faster, 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 she told herself. Actually, let us know what actually these lines means. It was Puppy. He had bumped into the aeroplane that stood near the cupboard. He had fallen down and lay there shocked. As I have told you, वो कौन था? Yes, who was groaning? Puppy was groaning. कौन दर्द में रो रहा था? Puppy. And when, और वो क्यों रो रहा था? क्योंकि उसकी एरोप्लेन से टक्कर हो गई. कैसे? उसको क्योंकि वो कबर्ड के पास, क्योंकि एरोप्लेन कहाँ पे खड़ा था? कबर्ड के पास. एंड उसकी टक्कर हुई और वो गिर गया नीचे. Someone will help him, thought Maya. She had no time to stop. तभी माया को लगा, जब माया ने ये आवाज़ सुनी थी ना, उसने सुना था ग्रोनिंग साउंड. यस, तो जब माया ने वो चीज़ सुनी थी तो माया ने सोचा कि कोई ना कोई तो उसे हेल्प कर देगा. और उसके दिमाग में सिर्फ था आई हैव टू विन. उसे सिर्फ जीतना था. ऑल दी अदर टॉयज गैदर अराउंड पपी. बाकी जितने टॉयज थे वो सारे के सारे पपी के चारों तरफ बैठ गए, चारों तरफ गैदर हो गए कि क्यों रो रहा है पपी, उसे देखने के लिए. तभी जो ट्रक था, ट्रक ने आवाज़ दी बीप बीप. और उसकी बीप बीप का मतलब था यू विल बी फाइन पपी. पपी तुम ठीक हो जाओगे. देन एट द सेम मोमेंट हु सेड चक चक डू नॉट क्राई पपी. इंजन पफ्ड. तभी इंजन ने कहा चक चक डू नॉट क्राई. तो चक चक मीन्स डू नॉट क्राई पपी, तुम रो मत पपी. क्लाउन एंड टेडी हेल्प्ड पपी टू स्टैंड. तभी क्लाउन और टेडी आए और उन्होंने पपी को हेल्प किया. किस चीज़ में? खड़े होने में. रेडी टू रन? आस्क्ड टेडी. टेडी ने तभी पूछा रेडी टू रन? देन पपी नॉडेड एंड स्टार्ट टू रन स्लोली. तभी पपी ने क्या किया? ही नॉडेड लाइक दिस एंड स्टार्टेड रनिंग. ओके. और कैसे दौड़ रहा था? ही वॉज रनिंग स्लोली. स्टार्टेड रनिंग स्लोली. द अदर टॉयज केप्ट पेस विद हिम. और बाकी टॉयज उसके साथ साथ ही चल रहे थे. एट दिस रेट माया थॉट नन ऑफ देम विल एवर विन द रेस. और माया को लगा इस तरह से तो कोई नहीं जीतने वाला है. माया हैड फिनिश्ड द सेकेंड राउंड. तभी माया ने सेकेंड राउंड फिनिश कर लिया था. फास्टर 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 शी टोल्ड हर सेल्फ. और माया बार बार उसके दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो अपने आप को बार बार जैसे हम बूस्ट अप करते हैं ना अपना कॉन्फिडेंस, येस वी कैन डू इट, येस वी कैन डू इट. In the same way, she was also boosting herself up, faster, faster, faster. And then what happened? Yes, again a new part, and you need to wait till then. And you have to read the story out to get more new words, as I have told you so many new words. In the same way, you will get to know about more new words if you will read. Okay? So you have to read this chapter, read this lesson, and we'll be back with the second part. So till then, stay tuned and please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.